When I look at this Harley, the world looks black to me. But that does not mean that the Sportster 883 Iron, the starter model as a special offer, has bad sales perspectives. But it means it is in cool matte black, the engine, many of the parts. And the joke of the whole thing is that it only costs 8,000 euros. The dream of a V2 from Milwaukee at a price of a middle-class Japanese motorcycle? Is that even possible? It is. You just have to get used to the narrow silhouette of this Sportster, which is somewhat sparsely equipped, and get used to the somewhat rough seat position as a rider. But at the same time, then you will know what is so good from a purist point of view on it. For only 8,120 euros, a V2 long stroke from Harley's hometown Milwaukee, USA. This chopper, kept sparse, comes closer to the actual Harley image than do some of the big oval-loaded bikes of some of the modern iconic brands.
The 883 is for those who want to get back into motorbiking, as well as people, young people, men who say, I want to drive a Harley again. It is also very popular with women, but there is also the new 883 Low. But the Iron really looks awesome, just optically. Very high value. 900 cc's, 8,000 euros. You don't find that in the industry from any other motorcycle manufacturer. The matte black is very trendy, especially when you see how cars are coming out black. It just looks bad. Black, dark, it looks cool, but it is not sensitive, not at all. It gets a new paint job over the course of the years, but we have found out in black matte, we can get any scratches out very fast and easy with paint. You have to make some compromises. You have to think it over. 54 horsepower, single seat. In my view, not really a good two-seater. You can build it out to a two-seater, but then it's not a touring bike.
Not a good travel bike for two people? And even if that were true, at the end of the day, an easy rider wants to enjoy his free time and hear the wind at his ears in solitude, and also hear that V2 sound. An orgy of matte black. Some people who like to spread rumors claim when a Harley no longer rides so well, then the popular matte black gets put on it and then it will sell well again. Be that as it may, the silky, shimmery black just looks damn good. 54 horsepower sounds modest, but the V2 brings good torque to the crankshaft. Acceleration and torque seem right for the starter Sportster, and so does that characteristic Harley sound. Up front, a single lonely disc brake is available. In critical braking situations, it will run up on its limit pretty fast and provides only pretty modest braking ability. The instruments and operating elements seem Spartan, but are completely sufficient for enjoying this motorbike. The suspension works relatively fast, but stronger ride dampening would be ideal. And one small problem, the tank cover rattles a bit and cannot be fully locked. While the 883 Iron stands in front of the Harley garage in Munich, inside there is a lot going on. From service work for production bikes to customizing, in other words, very normal day-to-day Harley stuff. And it will really pull you in if you let it. The baby Harley really keeps the myth alive too. The 54 horsepower powers the bike smoothly without negative load alteration reactions. You can drive the Iron pleasantly neutral through changing alternating curves. And it doesn't take long for those easy rider feelings to hit you. The rider gets used to the unique seat position and the limited power and enjoys the most important thing, the wind in his face. But if the rider is a bit too daring, the limited incline freedom will put an end to that quickly and audibly. The 12.5-liter tank volume means, ideally, and thanks to the relatively fuel-efficient V2 engine, the reserve lights light up after about 300 kilometers. So life is a winding country road. At least you don't need much more when you're riding the sporty 883 Iron. The matte black looks really cool, but they say it's easy to scratch. But first off, that's not true, and secondly, even if it were, so what? Who asks Angelina Jolie if she can cook well? Or Cameron Diaz is a bit messy. The torque is not as powerful as you would expect and want from a Harley. And the maximum trip distance is not so great, 300, and at worst 200 kilometers, depending on how you drive it. But for 8,000 euros, Harley feeling cruising to the next ice cream palace or riding over the wintry country roads and enjoying life, that is what it's all about. And that's what it does. It is good that there is a cheap way to fulfill the Harley dream, but limitations also go along with that price level. What is left over is smooth, relaxed gliding along two wheels and the certainty. Others may win comparative tests, but this iconic matte black beauty from Milwaukee with its typical V2 sound will make people turn their heads.